What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am on my way to the end of the month 718 Crewzers Handball Tournament on First Avenue, cruising uptown underneath the UN right now in this awesome bike path in the tunnel. I figured I'd start the recording right here with something exciting. Cross the bridge, and then from there it's not a far ride up to the corner of Hoyt and Crescent to the handball courts underneath the bridge in Astoria. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna cruise in the bike lane now, and I'm probably gonna pause this until I get near the bridge. We are just coming up here, crossing underneath the 59th Street Bridge. Bumpy roads, Jesus. Gonna take the left here and head over to the bike path. Bike path across, excuse me. Guy was riding my ass. So now this bike path across 59th Street Bridge is no longer shared with pedestrians. Thank God. It is supposed to be just bikes on this side. The other side has pedestrians. But occasionally you still get some people walking across, which is not bad, but still. But it's way better than it used to be. You can see here on the right, they still have the old vestigial paint marks. This side was for bikes and two-ways. So you had two-way on this side and then one-way pedestrian on the left. It was just a nightmare. It was too crowded. So, yeah, monthly 718 handball games, end of the month, last Sunday of the month. If you want to be involved with the 718 Crewzers, talk to Carlos from Arcane Moto, Andy. They're basically the two guys that kind of run the show for the 718 Crewzers. I am wearing my 718 Crewzers t-shirt, limited edition last year, collaboration with Electric Wednesday. The back is really cool. I'm sure you've seen it before if you watch my channel. And I've got some green and white floral underwear, not underwear, swim trunks on. Nice shorts that match with the 718 theme and logo. So this place is just basically at the intersection of Crescent Street and Hoyt. Is it Crescent Street or Crescent Avenue? I don't remember. I don't remember which one is which. Crescent and Hoyt. This bike path here over the bridge pretty much ends. As soon as you get off the bridge, you hit Crescent Street. So I'm gonna take that left and then ride that up until I get to Hoyt. Nice and simple. I'll probably pause it again once we get there. But it is a beautiful day. It's warm. We will be under the shade of the bridge, which it's nice. But eventually we lose the shade because a couple of people got sunburned last time. But it's nice because the courts stay pretty cool. Excited to play. I never really played, as I was saying before, I never really played handball before. I think I said this on one of my ride and review videos. I never really played handball before. I had a bunch of friends in high school that played a lot, but I was more of a tennis guy. So I never played a game of handball in my life until this year. When the 718 guys were playing, I figured, let me see how I do. I really like it. It's a fun game. I'm a very competitive person, so you know I had to jump involved and get involved in that. And it's been fun ever since. Okay, just coming off of the Queens Bridge here. And I'm gonna make this left on Crescent. Cross over here, and then I'm probably going to hit pause on this until I get a little bit closer to the courts. So with the magic of editing, here we go. We are arriving here at Hoyt and Crescent, and I'm probably going to be one of the first people here. I'm going to pull in, cut across here now. So here we are at the courts. Let me ride around. Yeah, I'm definitely first one here. I thought for sure someone else would be here. All right, let me take this opportunity to tape up, get ready. Get some tape on my wrist in case I mishit the ball. It's a little tight. It's a little bit tight. Gotta loosen that. There we go. Last time I didn't play with gloves on and I did fine, but might as well just protect the hands a little bit. I got these little weightlifting gloves that I use sometimes for climbing. That should do the trick. I got these gloves here. So this side's padded and this side isn't, but I think I'll go with the padded side. But you know what? Let me put a little tape here too. That's it. That's all. Go for it. Smack it around a little bit. Oh. Go for it. Woo. Warming up a little bit. Get there. Nope. Oh. All right, I just lost my first singles match to Brandon. He's real good. I was gonna play with the camera on my chest, but it was hindering my ability to move. Whoa! George has been my partner for the last few times we played, and we have been undefeated. Yeah.
You play Handball, right?
What's up?
You play together or what?
What do you want? Me and you?
Sure.
You want to mix it up a little bit today? All right, all right, all right, all right. You guys are fucked. Oh. That's all right. How's a lucky shot? Lucky shot.
Yeah, you got it.
1-0?
Yes, sir.
long. Nice return, George. 1-1. Damn, George. Four one. Wide. All right. See you, boys. All right, that's it for me. I got to get home and start getting ready for dinner. I don't know what they were saying. Maybe they wanted me to get the ball. But it is 4:30. The games are still going on. Good set of games so far. I didn't do as well this time as I did my last two sessions. The last two sessions I played with George, old guys team, me and him, the oldest guys playing. And we were 4-0 the first time and 5-0 the second time. Today, I lost a singles match to Brandon. Brandon's good. Singles, he was crushing it. And then we played some doubles, me and him together. Brandon and I went 1-1 as doubles partners. 1-1, lost one. And I played a game with Chris as my partner as well. And we won that game, I think. Did we win that one? I can't remember. We might have lost it. Doesn't matter, it's all fun. And it was a good turnout. I think at one point we had like 8 or 9 guys there. Good time with the 718 crew. But that's about it. Thanks for watching. As always, make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.